Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through some terminology in cryptography, guys. So basically, before going into the concepts, it will be a better and it will be a revision for you if you go through these words, guys, because these words will be used multiple times. Okay. So cryptology. So cryptology is nothing but the science of encryption, guys. So the science of encryption is called as cryptology. So like biology, zoology, like that only. Here we will be saying as cryptology. Okay, so cryptography. So the process of making and using codes to secure the transmission of information. So if you are trying to use something to secure the information, that is nothing but cryptography, guys. Okay. Similarly, crypto analysis is nothing but the process of obtaining original message from encrypted message without knowing the algorithm. So you are some kind of hacking you are doing, but this is not possible in real time. Okay. Yes. Similarly, let us continue. The next is nothing but encryption. So encryption is nothing but converting the original message into form of unreadable format or unauthorized format. Okay. So you'll be converting it into something which anyone cannot read. And similarly, the decryption. Decryption is nothing but the opposite of encryption. So here you can reconvert the ciphertext into the original message. So here you can read the message. This process, the encryption is done at the sender side and decryption is done at the receiver side, guys. That is the main thing that you should never confuse, right? Yes. The next is nothing but algorithm. So basically, what is algorithm, guys? It is nothing but steps which converts one thing to another. Like there is the process of steps by following which you can execute a program, right? So here the program is nothing but the cryptography. So the programmatic steps used to convert an unencrypted message into encrypted message is nothing but an algorithm. Okay. Similarly, cipher. So remember about the cipher, guys. Cipher, the encryption method or process comprises the keys. So that is nothing but the cipher, guys. Okay. Cipher text. So it is nothing but the encoded message. So cipher is nothing but the key, I think so. Yeah, the key which we are using. Okay. Similarly, decipher is nothing but re-getting the message, converting the cipher text into the plain text. Okay. Like decrypting. Yeah, that's the decrypting or decoding. Okay. Similarly, encipher is nothing but to encrypt. Okay, so encrypt it into the ciphertext. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea about all the terminology, guys. So please revise it once before going through your examination, guys, because they could ask for 2 marks, or if it is an objective based exam, they could give options to confuse you, guys. So that's the reason why I'm specifying these things. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea. So in the next lecture we'll be discussing about the cipher methods, guys. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.